You've probably heard the expression, less is more. A perfect example of this is found in fruit production. It's called thinning. Thinning is when you deliberately reduce the amount of fruit hanging on the tree. Dr. Jerry Brown of the University of Kentucky College of Agriculture says producers who thin their fruit trees actually improve their overall production.
For example, with peaches, if you had a 2-inch peach, it takes 293 of them to make a bushel, while if you get an increase of 1 inch in size to a 3-inch peach, it only takes 93 to make a bushel. And 3-inch peaches are much more acceptable. Also, by thinning, you're better balancing the energy ability of the leaves to the remaining fruit, and so your fruit will have more sugars and less starch, be more pleasing to the taste. You'll help prevent limb breakage, and all of these are advantages for all fruit.
Brown says commercial producers thin trees either mechanically, chemically, or by hand. The method used depends on the type of fruit. He says homeowners may want to thin by hand.
One other point we ought to make here is both apples, pears, and peaches have what is known as a June drop when they naturally drop some of their fruit. And this is not as important on taking the total amount of fruit off on apples and pears as it is on peaches. Now, peaches will drop quite a bit of fruit, so again, with peaches, not only may you wait till spring frost is over, but you may want to wait till the June drop. In addition, apples and pears have a problem known as alternate bearing. When they're loaded too heavily with fruit one year, they're not able to initiate the chemically inside the plant what is needed to produce the fruit for the subsequent year. And by thinning shortly after bloom, we're able to alleviate that problem.
Brown says fruit left on the tree should be spaced about 6 to 8 inches apart for best results. For the University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Service, I'm Haven Miller.